Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your Facebook account completely private on your iPhone. So let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. In the menu, scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on this to access your privacy settings. Within Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Scroll down and find the Audience and Visibility section. From this section, tap on the Profile Locking option and then tap on the Lock Your Profile button located at the bottom. Now your profile has been locked. Next, go back to Settings and tap on the How People Find and Contact You option. On the next page, you'll see two options: Who can send you friend requests and Who can see your friends list. Set these options to Friends of Friends and Only Me, respectively. Then, go back and tap on the Posts option. Under Post Settings, you'll find a section titled Who can see your future posts. Here, you can choose who can see your upcoming post by tapping on the current setting, Friends, and selecting the Only Me option. Facebook also allows you to limit the visibility of your existing posts. Look for a section titled Limit Past Posts. Tap on it. To control what information appears on your profile publicly, navigate back to the Settings menu. Tap on Profile and Tagging. Here, you'll see some options related to your profile. Set all these options to Only Me, and toggle off the switch for Allow others to share your posts to their stories. Now, you have completely privatized your Facebook account on your iPhone. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.